Hi everyone, welcome to CAD Center Ambana training videos. In this video, you're going to learn break command, join command, fillet command and chamfer command. First, we'll learn join command. If you have two objects in the same plane, then you can join those two objects. For joining, you can click on this icon or else type J at the command prompt and hit enter and select the object, source object or multiple object to join at once. Let's say we want to join these two objects. So click on this line and another line and hit enter. Now this is a single entity. Similarly, join, J enter, click on this and hit enter. The condition is that the object should be in the same plane. Okay. Now using join command, we can convert the many objects into a single entity. That is, we can convert the many objects into polyline. Now you can see these are all separate entities and I want to convert them into a single entity. J enter, select the object and hit enter. Now when you take the cursor over the object, you can see it is showing it is a polyline. And if I click on the object, it is a single entity. Okay. Now next command is break command. Break command can be accessed from the modify drop down option. So this is the icon for break command. So break command is used to break the object between 2 points. Or else you can type BR at the command prompt and hit enter and click on the object from view from the point where you want to break it. So click and click at the other point or else specify the distance. Let's say I'll type some value, say 6. So you can see the object is broken. Okay, now this is a single entity. We can break this object also. Type BR at the command prompt, click at one point and take the cursor to the point where you want, up to what point you want to break. Okay, so this way it has got broken. Now suppose if you have a circle and you want to break the circle, type BR, click on one point and take the cursor in back side in anti-clockwise direction up to what point you want to break. Okay, break, click on the point and take the cursor and click up to the point you want to break, like this. Okay. So this way break command is used. Next, we will see the fillet command. Fillet is to provide a round corner at two sharp lines joining at points. Like this. If you want to give a curved corner, then you can use fillet command. Okay, so you can see here this is the icon used for fillet command. Rounds and fillet the edges of the object. So F is the shortcut key for fillet command. If you have multiple objects, you have to select multiple option, and you can provide the radius for the fillet. Let's say I'll give radius 4 and click on the first object and then on the second object. So this is get filleted. Now suppose if I don't want to trim this corner, then click on the trim option and click on no trim option and click on the first object and then second object. This time the corner lines are not trimmed. Okay? You can undo if you don't get the fillet of desired radius. Again, you can choose radius option for giving different value. Let's say 3 this time, and click on the first object and then second object like this. Okay. You can click on the first object and then second object. Like this, you will get the fillet. If you don't want the corner, then click on the trim option. In that, choose trim option and then click on the first object and the second object. So like this, you can trim the object and you will get the filleted corner. Okay. Now, I'll show you once again the fillet command. If you want to fillet all the corners at once, then choose polyline option, specify the radius. Say this time I'll give radius as 4 and select the 2D polyline. Okay, I think I have undone that. I'll join it once again. I've chosen join command and I have converted that into the fillet now. And I'll go for the fillet command again. And then I'll choose the polyline option. Then I'll click on the radius option. And I'll choose 5 this time. And select the polyline. So at once, all the corners got filleted. Okay. Next, we'll go for the chamfer option. Chamfer command you will get from the fillet drop-down option. So here is the chamfer option. It bevels the edges of the objects as shown in the diagram. Or else you click at the command prompt and type CHA as a shortcut key for the chamfer. Now here you can click for the multiple corners. You can choose trim or no trim. Okay, this time we'll choose trim option. Then here there are 2 options, distance and angle. Let's click on the distance option first. Then we have to specify the first chamfer distance. Let's say I'll choose first chamfer distance as 4. And if I want both the distance to be same, then I'll again type 4 and hit enter. And then I'll click on the first line and then on the second line. So this way the corner has got the chamfer. Okay. Again, we'll choose the next option, angle option. Click on the angle option, specify the chamfer length on the first line. Let's say I will type 5 here and hit enter. Then I have to specify the angle. Let's say I'll give 60 degree as the angle. Then I will click the first line. Okay. And then I'll click on the second line. you can see the object got filleted, chamfered with the angle at 60 degree. Okay. We can check that. You can see here. So this is 60 degree. Okay. So this way it got chamfered. Now I will undo this again. Let's join these objects once again. J enter, and I will join all these objects, and I will go for the chamfer command. CHA as a shortcut key. This time I will choose, let's say, no trim option, and I will click on the polyline, and then I'll go for the distance option, and I'll click for the chamfer distance as 4 by 4. You can give different values also. Then click on the select 2D polyline. So click on the 2D polyline, then you will get all these corners chamfered. But this time I have chosen no trim option, that is why you are getting the corner also. I'll undo this. Again I will choose the chamfer command, and this time I will choose trim option. I'll choose distance option, and I'll choose 3 by 4 this time, and I'll click on the polyline, and I will get this kind of chamfered object. Okay. So this way we can use break command, join command, fillet command, and chamfer command. I hope you have understood all these modified tools, which are very, very important in AutoCAD drawing. Please like and share and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.